design buildings which are earthquake proof. Now, today's STEM project, we're going to build a simple model. Yeah? We're going to build a simple model which will show us how an earthquake-proof building works. Now, I'll show you the example. We're going to use straws. We're going to use some plastic, and then we're going to use a table, and we'll shake the table to simulate an earthquake. Now, it's going to look like this, okay? So if I can just zoom it. Hang on a minute.
You move in different directions.
So this is what...
And it's this side-to-side motion that we often call shear, and shear can be very damaging and very disruptive. So to minimize
that's what it looks like on a real building.
Shock absorbers, taper geometry, and cross bracing.
So I'll zoom it over to what we're going to need to do.
Or warping.
That's a real building.
To illustrate this point, I would recommend having your students make
So we can make a square from straws. And you need to stick one straw going from there, one straw going from there. You will need to use tape for that. Okay? And you'll need to build like a cube, so another straw going from there. Oh, is it? Wow. Okay. So you need to stick two straws together, like this. Okay, and build your...
STEM. I wanna be a scientist. STEM. I wanna be a technologist. STEM. I wanna be an engineer. STEM. I wanna be a mathematician. I want to help build the future. And I want to help build the future. STEM. Let's have fun and learn STEM at Mark for Future.
Hello everyone. In today's STEM project, the students had to build an earthquake-proof structure. So they used some modeling clay, some straws, and some tape, and they built a structure like a skyscraper. And now what we're going to do is shake the table and simulate an earthquake. So can someone shake the table? Bam, bam. That's it. Is it going to fall over? Like this. Give it a good shake. As you can see, guys, it's standing up, which is great. Hello, everyone. In today's STEM project, the students had to build an earthquake-proof structure. So they did that by using some modeling clay and some plastic. And now we're going to simulate an earthquake by shaking the table. Go on, boys. Wow, brilliant. Good job. You can see it stands up. It's not falling over. So well done. Did you have fun? Yeah. Well done, guys. Hello, guys. And today in the STEM project, students built an earthquake-proof structure. So they used some modeling clay and some straws and some tape. And they're going to simulate an earthquake by shaking the table now. So shake the table, guys. Watch your feet. That's it. Hello, guys. In the STEM project today, the students got halfway with their project. They were told to build a earthquake-proof project, but they didn't finish. But it's okay. You can see that they have the base and then support structure. So, you want to shake the table? That's it. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. All right, guys. Hello, everyone. In the STEM project, the students had to build an earthquake-proof structure. So, they got halfway with their first attempt. So, this is the beginning of it, and then this is the completed project. So, guys, do you want to shake the table and simulate an earthquake? All right. Okay, look at it. Yeah, so well done. Did you have fun? Yeah, good job.